video we will talk about something interesting. So let's get started. So what if I tell you the difference between the actual average resume and a job winning resume is not your skills, it's how you talk to ChatGPT. The most people use the ChatGPT, but still get basic, boring, and the output by because why? Because their prompt are weak. In this video, I am going to show you something different. I will upload my real resume into the ChatGPT and instead of just asking it to improve it, I will have some conversation with it. So ChatGPT will ask question with me and I will answer them. Okay, and today we will build a strong professional ATS ready resume step by step. So you will learn, and what will you will learn? So basically you will learn exactly how to write the powerful prompt and how to guide ChatGPT like a pro, and how to turn the simple information into the impactful achievement. By the end of this video, you would not just have a better resume, you will have skills that can improve anything you create and with create with AI. So if you are a student, a job seeker, or someone who want to stand out, this video is going to be extremely useful for you. So let's get started.
I'm ready to dig into that, but I'll need to see the resume to give you proper feedback. You can upload it right here, and I'll make sure we sharpen the language, emphasize results, and ensure it's ATS-friendly. Just drop it in, and we'll get right to the point. Take your time. Once it's in, we'll make sure we've got every section working harder for you. Let me know when you're ready. Alright, if you've got the file ready, just upload it. I'll give you an honest assessment and make sure we amp up the impact of your achievements. Let's make that resume do some real work for you. I don't see it yet. Maybe give it another try, making sure it's fully attached. Once it's up, we'll get to work on it right away. No rush. When it's ready, I'll be here to help you fine-tune it. Just let me know when it's in place. I've gone through your resume. You've got a clear foundation, but let's tighten it up. First, we'll correct 1 years to 1 year. Accuracy matters. Next, we'll inject measurable outcomes into your experience, like the number of projects delivered or user metrics improved. We'll also rephrase responsibilities as achievements. For example, if you led a club, what did you accomplish? Finally, we'll optimize formatting and keywords to align with applicant tracking systems. Let's get specific. What outcomes or results can we highlight from your experience? That's a good start, but let's dig deeper. How much did efficiency improve? Even an estimate is better than nothing. Did you cut process time by 10%? Or did your solution get adopted by a certain number of users or departments? The more tangible the result, like time saved or number of people impacted, the more convincing it is. So think about metrics or scale. That's what'll make the resume pop. Great. Now keep that mindset as you reflect on each section. We'll weave these results into every bullet. Once you send the resume, we'll sharpen each line so it speaks for itself. When you're ready, we'll turn those thoughts into a solid draft. Just keep everything factual, and we'll craft something powerful. Let me know when you've got the file or any more details. No worries. We'll work with what you've got. Once you share the resume, I'll help refine the language and structure so it highlights your best impact. Whenever you're ready, I'm here to sharpen it up. I haven't received any files so far. If something went wrong with the upload, you might want to try reattaching it. Once I have it, we'll be able to get right into making those improvements. Sounds good. Once it's up, we'll make sure it's as strong as possible. Let me know when you've got it uploaded. I've got your resume now. It highlights your web development skills, ongoing education, and recent project or internship experiences. Now, to make it more impactful, we'll refine each section. We'll correct the 1 years to 1 year and add measurable outcomes under your experiences. What results you achieved even on a small scale. We'll strengthen your action verbs and ensure keywords align with roles you're targeting. What specific job type or industry focus do you want to tailor this for? Got it. We'll steer the language toward AI roles. That means emphasizing problem solving, data insights, and any exposure to machine learning or automation. Let's reshape those bullets to reflect AI relevant achievements and keywords. Since I have the context, here's what we'll do. I'll guide you through each section. We'll focus on making your projects or internship experience show how you solved problems related to AI. Maybe pattern recognition, automation, or efficiency. We'll make sure the language speaks to AI roles. So let's start with one project or experience. Tell me which one you want to sharpen first. All right, let's translate. That's a solid start. We'll frame it like this. Developed an AI workflow tool automating content creation steps, from generating descriptions and titles to scheduling YouTube uploads, reducing content production time by X%. We'll just need to estimate how much time is saved. If you don't know exact numbers, even a rough guess helps make the impact clear. Even a rough... Perfect. We'll say something like reduced content creation time by 50 to 70% through automation. That's the kind of measurable impact that'll make your AI project stand out. Next, we'll apply the same principle to other experiences or projects. We'll highlight what you improved, automated, or solved. Once we have all sections, we'll polish wording and ensure it's aligned to AI roles. If you've got another piece in mind, let's tackle that next. All right. When you're ready to refine another section, or if you need guidance on a different piece, just let me know. We'll keep pushing until the whole resume reflects your best AI impact.
I hope you will get idea from this video. So I will give you this prompt in the description. You will copy and then paste to ChatGPT and you can use it for yourself. So for today, thank you and have a nice